Hi, gang. Hey guys, it's been a minute. It's been a good minute. Um, I'm super excited to be back. I'm going to be doing a wig review today. I am so excited. If you don't know, I recently cut my hair. I did it in a little short cut in the back and a lot of volume up top. I'll insert a picture. And I've just been enjoying embracing myself and just, it's a whole story on why I cut my hair. If you want to know why I cut my hair, go ahead and leave a comment and then I'll do the whole video. But yeah, so today I ordered a wig. Here it is. She's pretty, she's cute. It's a cheap synthetic wig. I really like the videos of people trying on really cheap wigs. And I thought it was interesting that no one ever tries to really try and give an effort to make it look really good. So I was thinking about starting something like that on my channel. I don't know. I'm always trying to start something new and never finish things that I started. It's terrible. It's terrible. But yeah, so anyways, I purchased this wig. It was only $23. Let me get the deets. Okay, so I purchased it from Amazon. The brand name is Phoenix Fly. It's from Phoenix Fly. It's a short afro curly synthetic wig in the color burgundy or red. It was $23.56. It only took like a day, but yeah, it's from Amazon Phoenix Fly. I'll leave it linked down below if you're interested. I think it's super duper cute. I'm super excited. It kind of is what I'm trying to get my hair to go to, maybe by next year or maybe by the end of this year. I'm really excited. But before I show you the wig, this is the packaging it came in. It's super cute. It just says wig, legit, just wig and then wig here. And so they sent me some powder puff sponges and then a weave, they call it weave cap, but this is just the mesh. I already have a weave cap on my head. I flat twisted my hair because we're a multitasker. Great thing is, once I take the wig off, I'll have some great flat twists. So we're not using any of this stuff today, but it's always fun to keep. I love free stuff, so that's awesome. The wig comes with this, and then also with that lunch lady knit. This is the wig straight out the box. Hang on. Okay, yeah, this is the wig straight out the box. Super red. Like, I am so excited. It has those ringlet curls. This is how I've been curling my hair, the flexi rod curl look. So I just wanted longer hair and in a different color because I'm deciding if I'm gonna if I'm gonna dye my hair for the first time. So I was either thinking about going blonde or red. Those were the two choices I was thinking about. And I was thinking maybe if I go blonde, then I could just put red on top of it if I can't decide. But also I wanted to try the red because if I went red and didn't like the red, I don't think I'd be able to go back to blonde without bleaching. So this is a way to test it. This is the inside. It has two combs for the sides. And then it has the adjustable strap in the back. No, that's not enough. With a baby, I constantly gotta put backpacks on. My child pulls my hair and all that stuff. Well, a toddler. She constantly pulls my hair and stuff. So 2 combs and adjustable straps is not gonna be enough. So I'm gonna add clips and baby powder because these wigs tend to be really shiny. And we're gonna be unclockable today. I'm back. All I did was I sewed a clip at the top of the wig, and then I just crisscrossed the adjustable strap in the back, and we're just gonna plop this on my head. Also, I took my hair down and I did a perimeter braid so that this can go in because it had nowhere to go to. So yeah, we did that. We're gonna see how tight it is and how well it fits, and if it's big head friendly, because I do have a lovely nice and juicy forehead. So we're gonna see if this will work. Plop it on. Oh my gosh. Just trust the process. Because right now I'm giving very much Raggedy Ann. Okay, and then this front one will open and clamp it. Okay, good. So that's not going anywhere, and it's not super tight either, so great. So the first step I'm gonna do is powder. Usually if you have like a straight synthetic wig, I throw it on top of the brush and then just like brush it through. But since these are ringlets and I don't really want to brush it, I'm probably just gonna put some on and then just do like that. So, and if you're wondering like how much is too much and how much, it just, don't put a lot. Like I have like that much, and you kind of just like rub it amongst your hands. And then just kind of, it just takes the shine off. That's all it does. Just like rub it in. But don't put just like a crazy amount. No. But yeah, so now I'm just going to go in and separate the curls. Usually when I separate my curls, like after I, flexi rod them, I use oil. But to prevent frizz. Yeah, because that's going to be crazy frizzy. So let's try and maybe put like a little oil. So the oil that I'm going to be using is African's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. Yeah, everything's going to be listed down below. Don't even trip, sis. Don't even trip. So yeah, let's do this. And like, I don't know, I'm just treating it how I do mine. I separate it and then just twist. So we can keep that cute ringlet. Like, you don't want to mess that up. And we darn sure don't want to be frizzy. So this is going to take a while.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I'm in the last section. My arms feel like they want to fall off. But it was worth it. Because, I mean, it's a French brunette. Like, what do you mean? These curls look amazing compared to how it started off. Let's get a little before, please. Yes, and now we look like this. I was getting tired and I was trying to rush and the section just got really frizzy. So take your time, literally take your time. It'll pay off. Trust me, it'll pay off. Look at this. Ooh, and like a little updo. Don't pull too much up though. It's so cute. Synthetic wear. Synthetic wear. Tell me these ain't bundles. Go ahead. Tell me these ain't bundles. Who's clocking me? The only thing left, I was thinking maybe to like go in. This is what I do with the with my hair when I do the flexi rods. I like go in and tease the roots, but you don't really need to do that because I really don't. It's big. Like I'm not trying to get too much volume. And the cool thing about synthetic wigs is that the older they get, the bigger they get. So we gonna give this time. Let this grow on its own. I'm trying to salvage these curls as long as possible. Get my $20, $23 worth. Yeah, get my $23 worth. But it looks really good. The only issue for me is the bangs because this is gonna get in my face. So I think I'm gonna cut. Don't do that because then you'll cut like that and then it'll be way up here. Don't. So you want to cut. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And then like a little piece here. And we'll cut this. Kind of just like frame around my eyes because oh my goodness, there we go. That's so much better. And then I just want to take this, yup, there we go, and kind of how I would sleep at night. Either take it off and put yours on your little mannequin head, but if you live with your significant other or you just don't want to take it off because you got to get to work the next day, bonnet. Always do a bonnet. Plop it on, you're good to go. Synthetic wigs, you know, avoid a lot of moisture, avoid brushing, avoid touching. The cool thing about this is that it's short, so it won't be rubbing up against the car seat or just the back, because that's usually where it gets mangled, is right up under your nape. But you should be fine. Super cute, super simple. Synthetic wigs usually last, if you treat them right, do them right, 2 weeks. You can get 2 weeks for sure without getting matting and stuff. And seeing that I add oil to the ends and just don't touch it a lot, it's gonna be hard for me, but just don't touch it a lot. because the less friction, the better. And you should be fine. You could probably get this wig, if you take it off at night, you could probably get a month out of it. So that's the cool thing about it. But yeah, all the information for this wig will be down below. Everything that I used for this wig will also be listed down below. This was just a quick, sporadic, spontaneous video, but it happened to fall on Wednesday, so it's like it's Wig Wednesday. So if you guys like this video and if you'd like to start this series, go ahead and comment down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I love the support. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Y'all niggas know what it is, man. Try to tell them. Niggas